Hello students, today we will continue with our chapter Indices and Cube Root. In my previous video, I had explained y'all the meaning of the numbers when the index is a rational number of the form 1 upon n. For example, if we take 25 raised to 1 upon 2, or we can take 8 raised to 1 upon 3. 7 raised to 1 upon 4. So how we are going to write this in the statement form? We will write it. This is 2 means square. 3 means this. 2 means square. 2 means it is a root. 3 is a cube. 3 means root. 4 is a fourth root. Okay. So 2 is a square. So we will write it as square root of 25. Now this is 3. 3 means cube. So we will write cube root of 8. Now this is 4. So fourth root. Fourth root of 7. Now this indexes, rational indices are written as 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4. So this is a numerator and this is a denominator. And it is written in the form of 1 upon n. So in the numerator we will always get 1. Okay, in the numerator there will be always 1. Now we will do the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form m upon n. Now if we take this rule, a raised to m upon n, we will write this a here, we will put this m inside the bracket and n we will write as 1 upon n. So how we are going to write this in a statement form? We will write it like nth, this is root, nth root of mth power of a. Now if we take a number like 8 raised to 2 upon 3. So how we are going to write this? We'll write 8 here, this 2 inside, and this outside the bracket we will write this 3 as 1 upon 3. Now this is a root, so cube. Cube root of, this 2 is a square, square of 8. Okay. Now this thing a raised to m upon n can be written in another form. Okay. We will write this a here. We will put this 1 upon n inside the bracket and we will write this m outside the bracket. So how we are going to write in the statement form? We will write it like mth power. Now this is the power. This power m was inside. Now the power m is gone outside the bracket. So mth power of nth root of a. Now we will take the number. This number 8 raised to 2 upon 3. We will write this 8 here and like 1 upon n, like this 1 upon 3, we will write this 1 upon 3 inside and we will write this 2 outside. Okay, so 2 will go outside and this 3 will be written as 1 upon 3. Like first we had written this 2 inside and 1 upon 3 outside. Now this 2 is gone outside the bracket and the 1 upon 3 is come inside the bracket. So how we are going to write? This is power. So we will write square. We won't write power. Square of 3 is a cube root. Cube root of 8. Okay. Now suppose if we take a number like this 27 4 upon 5. Okay. And we won't put we will solve this like this, like this 27 here, and we will write this 4 inside the bracket, and this we will write 1 upon 5. Okay, so how we will write in a statement form? This is root. So 5th root of 4th power of 27. Now same number we will write it here again, and we will write 27 inside, and this 1 upon 5 raised to 1 upon 5 inside, and this 4, the power 4 will go outside the bracket. So how we are going to write? 4th power of 5th root of 27. Now suppose if I am writing over here a statement, power of the root, and here if I write one statement, root of the power, and I'll take this number here, 27 raised to 4 upon 5. Now which is the power? And I don't write this thing, okay, I will hide this thing, okay, I'll write only this thing here. So how I'm going to write power of the root of this? I will write which is the power? 4. So I will write it as 4th power of, this is root, 5th root. Okay, 5th root of 27. Now I want to write root of the power of this thing. So which is the root? This is the root. 5 is the root. So I will write 5th root of 4 is the power. 4th power of 27. Understood, children? Now this thing, suppose now this thing was written how? If we multiply this, like this 27, if I write here outside and 4 inside like this, what I will get? I will multiply this 4 multiply by 1 upon 5, I will get it 4 upon 5. So this is same thing, okay. This if you solve, it will come in the same form. Now let's do practice set 3.2. First is 225 3 upon 2. First is given over here power of the root, and the second column it is given root of the power. So which is the power over here? 3 is the power. So how we are going to write this 3? We will write it as 3 cube. We won't write power for cube. We will write cube of square root. This is 2 is the root. So square root of 225. Okay. Now the same number, root of the power, the same number we are going to write it in the form of root of the power. So which is the root? This 2 is the root. Okay. So we will write this 2 square root of the, this 3 is of cube of 225. Okay. Now 45 raised to 4 upon 5. So which is the power? 4 is the power. So we will write it as 4th power of 5 is the root. 5th root of 45. Now we are going to write root first. So which is the root? 5 is the root. So we will write 5th root of 4 is the power of 4th power of 45. Okay. Now 81 raised to 6 upon 7. So which is the power? 6. So 6th power of 7 is the root. 7th root of 81. Okay. Now we want to write the root first, root of the power, which is the root 7. So 7th root of, which is the power 6, 6th power of 81. Okay. Now we have to write 100 raised to 4 upon 10. So which is the power? 4 is the power. So we will write 4th power of 10th root of 100. Now we have to write the root first. So which is the root? 10 is the root. 10th root of, which is the power 4. 4th power of 100. Now we are going to write 21 raised to 3 upon 7. So which is the power? 3 is the power. So for 3 what we say? Cube. Cube, we don't write for cube power. We only write cube. Cube of 7. This 7 is the root. 7th root of 21. Now what we have to write? We have to write the root first. So which is the root? 7. So 7th root of 3 is the power. So 3 means cube. Cube, we don't write power, we write cube of 21. Okay. Now we will write the following numbers in the form of rational indices. Square root of 5th power of 121. So how we are going to write this? We will write it 121 here. And which is the power? 5 is the power. So 5 will come here, 5th. And which is the root? Which root will come down? Square root. So square means 2. 2 will come down. Okay, so root always comes down. Now this 3, 2, 4. Okay, 324. So which is the power? Cube of 4th root of 324. So which is the power? Cube is the power. So cube will come. Cube means 3. And which is the root? 4th root means 4 upon 4. Now we have to take 5th root of square of 264. 264. Now which is the power? Square means 2 power. 5th root. 5th root means the root will come down. So 5th root means upon 5. Okay. Now we have to write cube of cube root of 3. So 3 cube means 3. Cube root means upon 3. Cube means 3. So cube root means upon 3. So the root comes always down and the power comes up. Thank you students for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.